Ayan si Kaiden. Tayo sa duck pond. Yung duck, kinakausap ni Kaiden. Hello, Ducky. Hello, Ducky. Hello, Ducky. Oh, wala. Ano lang sila dyan. Malayang mag-swimming. Malaya yan sila dyan. Kaiden, don't get the...
I'm worried. Why won't you get in there?
You might fall, darling. Look, Kaiden.
Huh?
The duck there. Look, Kaiden. Look, upside down.
Mom, that's
Maganda dito pag nagwo-walking sa afternoon, tas the morning, may marami dito yung nagja-jogging, nagwo-walking. Maganda kasi maraming
Come on
mga
now.
puno. Where are we going now? No, wait, let's go now. Where are we going?
Let's go.
We need to go now. Yun lang, ano lang kami rito. Take a picture, take a video. Ayan nandiyan sa yung mga duck dyan. Ayan sila dyan Ayan dyan yung mga duck. Marami sila dyan. Ay naku. Ayan pa. Ayan dyan mga ducky. And the turtle here. Ayan, parang namamasyal lang
There's
sila.
way more turtles than ducks.
Yeah,
than us.
many. So many turtle. Let's go.
Oh, I got you.
Look at the dog. So cute, hello.
Hello.
Suki, hello. Suti, can we pet?
Yes, giving lots of loving.
Oh, look at this. So beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. How are you? Hi, how are you? Oh, beautiful. Oh, look at what's out of Thank you. You too. Bye-bye. Yan yung mga
I
dito.
really love little sausages.
Yeah. Yung mga Australian dito, mababait yan sila. Kala mo magkakaibigan na, no? Ngayon lang kami nagkita-kita. Pero akala mo kung mag-usap, akala mo mga magko-close na. Punta na kami sa car.
I only love dogs that don't bark like sausage dogs.
Yeah, the sausage dog. I love it. They're so cute. Maybe we can go in here. Kala mo nasa loob kami ng
Mom, because there might be
bush.
snakes.
Hmm?
I wouldn't recommend it there because there might be snakes.
No, there's no snake in this. Look. Nag-attend kami ng party. Then, punta kami dito sa duck pond before umuwi. Kasi tomorrow is Monday, back to work, back to school si Kaiden.